Hello everyone! Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how I create stickers and how I created these Rosh Hashanah stickers. Let's begin. So I start with sketching the characters, and I have this Mr. Apple. He has two poses, one of them is standing and the other one is swimming in honey. I also have this pomegranate king with his little seed minions. Right now I'm just doing the line art, and I actually made this faster by 10 times, and it was all live on Twitch. If you want to check that out, you should go to the description. And now I color the art. I do the light and shadows. And basically color everything. So this is the king with his little red crown and little seed minions. They're all very happy and pleased with themselves. So I also created this shofar sticker and this little Miss Honey jar, which is the cutest. So after I finish the art, I make a white silhouette over all of the figures, so the Cricut machine will know where to cut them. And now I'm inside Photoshop. I have this back layer, and I basically position all the characters on top of that layer, and I do want the Cricut to die cut the actual background and to kiss cut the figures themselves. So after I am happy with the position of everything, I basically export the background as a different image and the stickers themselves as another image. And then I go to Cricut Design Space program, and I load my background as a complex image, print and cut. And also I load the actual figures as a complex image, print then cut. And now I just load both of the images inside my canvas. So inside Cricut, I just want to align everything as it was on Photoshop. So I'm using the align tools and also aligning by eye. And then I'm saving this project. Afterwards, I'm duplicating the background 3 more times, so the Cricut will actually cut the background 4 times, and then cut the actual stickers only 1 time. That way I can have different cut pressures. And then I make it smaller because I want to fit 4 of them on the same page. I'm now just basically aligning everything, and after that I need to attach all the layers together. And this is basically it. You need to make sure the actual page doesn't exceed 2.25 inches in the height. And this is why I am making them closer to each other, because I have a set size that I always print in. And then when I'm done with that, I just click the Make It button. Now my printer just prints it. And I'm using a label paper right now. I honestly would love to use a glossy type paper, but I couldn't find one that actually didn't smear. So if you guys have a good type of glossy paper, let me know, because I really want to have glossy stickers. And this is how it looks after my printer prints it. Now I go ahead to my Cricut machine. And doing a little dance. I really take my time with positioning it exactly in the spot, because that way I can be sure that Cricut cuts it where I intended it to cut it. And excuse my messy desktop. Now I click the load button. And then I click the go button. And the Cricut is done. I now have my die cut and also my kiss cut. So now I flip it over because I don't want the actual sticker sheets to bend. So this is how I do it. And I love that sound. I'm just gonna stick some on my notebook. So this year we're actually all quarantined in Rosh Hashanah. But I wish you all a happy new Jewish year. Happy Rosh Hashanah. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to like and comment and subscribe. And expect a new video every Tuesday. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.